All right, another week has gone by and we're back at Elliotts' house. So the plan today is to pull the dash back out, trim those pieces that were hitting the tube last time so we could then put the dash back in and bolt it in for real. We got to finish the floor patching with where you can tell Elliot's been working on that. And then you pulled the bed sides off because we have to do the down tube, the tube that goes straight through here. And then I want to turn this into an X right here so it makes more sense with the design. Yeah, anything else? Anything I'm missing right now?
I think that's it.
All right, cool. Let's get to work. Try to just hole saw out the edge of that?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not gonna work.
I brought the plasma cutter.
Shit, you want plasma with this?
We can, yeah.
First time using it really.
We got my plasma out. First time it's ever left my house. It's like cheating.
Dude, that's so cool.
It's so easy.
Man.
All right, we got all that patched together now. There's obviously some gaps that were too big for me to weld, even with the silicon bronze. But that's okay because Elliot's gonna go over all this with seam sealer anyway, and then there's gonna be carpet on top of it. But it's good enough, it's strong enough. We're good with that, so now we can move on, pull the dash back out, fix those plates, and then put it back in for real.
Got the dentist tool out again.
Going to the dentist. These brackets right here need a little cut out to clear this tube.
Ready?
Yeah. Is it gonna go?
I don't know. We'll see. It's not looking good. Going.
Hey, that's good.
Worked out good.
There's only one bolt on this side.
Two over here.
Okay.
Hold it in place once I got it started.
Okay, good. Hopefully it helped that side out some too.
This is less than comfortable.
Looks like it. Cool.
This won't be no problem.
Sweet. So we got them all in, huh?
We got it.
Come on, Elliot, you can do it. Use the power of the pizza we just ate.
Oh yeah. That was
Yeah.
jalapeno power right there, baby.
Cool, I'm so happy those went in. I just gotta put the other side one in over here.
Two more.
All right. we're pulling the shocks off of here now. That way we can get in there easier and add some tubes that we want to add in there. Well, we have the first tube made and tacked in place. Working on making one for the other side of the truck now, and then we'll get this guy in there next, and then a little tie-in down there. And I ended up doing this same thing to Bear's back half as well, late last summer. And going forward, anybody that wants me to back half a truck like this, it will get that from the get-go. Looks like we're ready to start doing some welding. Finally.
Baby, you know that I am gone. Who am I convincing other than myself? Reevaluating the current situation gives me hesitation, but my inside is well done.
Where if one of these goes down the front of my frickin' neck right now, I'm gonna freak out.
Oh, dude, you're getting pelted right now.
I didn't think I'd be able to get up there, but I can. Problem is my eyes aren't that good this far away. Alright, I don't know how well you guys can see under here, but I'm able to get it pretty good. I was able to reach way up there. Cool, now get ready to do this other side.
Alright, getting ready to put some paint on there now. I'm guessing you don't really care that much if you get some overspray on the fuel cell, since that thing's getting replaced anyway.
I'm just gonna paint over the rust.
You must become one with the 4-link. Wild. Alright, we got the truck moved back over to this area, and that's all done and painted now. So now what we're going to do is use my plasma cutter to get behind this tube and cut a rectangle out of the first skin, and then hopefully a precise hole out of the second skin to run a tube straight from this tube out to like right on that tube.
How long we would have thought of this when we first put this back wall on?
Yeah, the original plan is we should have ran a hole saw through it before this tube even went in, but we didn't think about it.
Got carried away.
Uh-huh.
Oh well.
But hopefully this goes well,
We'll get it.
one way or another.
Somehow we always do.
Let's see it. Yeah! Wow! Okay, so I plasma cut a hole there right to our tube. And now what we're doing is we made a sleeve out of 175 and 2-inch. The 2-inch portion is gonna land on our 2-inch tube. The 175 is gonna land on our 175 tube. So show them how it's done of it. There. It's their way of doing it since we put that tube in there before making any plans for this. Looks pretty good to me. Get that welded in there.
You'll extend it to.
Yep. And now those tubes are done. Another thing checked off the list. Okay, we just had dinner at B-Dubs after working on the truck all day. David just sent us a Snapchat that he is at a laundromat in the same city. So we looked it up. We're about to go buy a Smirnoff Ice and try to catch him while he's still there. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's do this.
Great. All right, they're all out of regular Smirnoff. but I still scored something by the brand. You know what I'm saying? We got the Ice Smash.
Oh my god.
Counts. This is the only Smirnoff thing they had in there.
Damn.
And she tried to sell me on the rewards program. I was like, lady, I gotta go.
The rewards program.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's get this figured out.
Here we go.
So many clothes going on here.
Oh yeah, there's a lot.
I'm thinking there's no chance we're finding David.
Let's see if any of these baskets look like this. Alright, we're gonna get to the bottom of this. Come on, David.
Damn, that cop's getting that guy.
You think so?
He was hot on his ass.
Yep, lit him up.
Got him.
Your call has
Come
been
on,
forwarded to an
David.
automated voice messaging system.
I'm hitting him with the double call.
He'll definitely know something's up now.
I hope not. How long does it take to do laundry here?
I don't know. I don't think I've ever used a laundromat in my life, honestly. I've always had a
The only
washing
time
machine.
I ever did was with David.
Hopefully that wasn't David that just got pulled over.
Your call has been forwarded.
Damn.
Oh man, okay. So what do we do here? Because his clothes might be in there. He might be coming back.
Right.
But we can't sit here all night. We need to know.
Right.
Do you think he's going to call back in a couple minutes?
We can give him some time.
Okay. A little bit of time.
Yeah.
Worst case scenario, what do we do? Just drop this on his front porch?
Yeah, we can do a front door
Okay,
delivery.
That sounds good. I hope his clothes are still here, though.
Yeah.
We're getting the call back. David, what's up?
What up, player?
You coming to B-dubs or what?
Shit, man, I gotta be before we got Easter tomorrow, too.
Damn. You were doing laundry?
Yeah,
You still doing laundry?
we just got back a minute ago, but we got a text message that Mecca's coming to do inspections Monday, so we gotta get the shit apartment ready for Mecca.
Oh, okay. Damn, I thought you were still at the laundromat.
We just got home just a minute ago.
Damn, that was fast.
Shit, we started it. That shit takes forever. We started it, it's like 8 o'clock.
Oh, wow. All right.
You guys have B-dubs now, or?
Yeah, we're still here.
Yeah.
About done, though.
I will make it out one of these nights.
All right.
I miss y'all.
Yeah, miss you too.
We'll make it out. We'll hang out here soon.
All right, sounds good.
Talk to you soon.
All right, peace out.
Peace.
I guess we're going to his house.
Oh my god. Here we go. Gas station.
Yeah, I know it's close to the gas station. I don't remember if it's, I think it's on this side of the gas station, right?
Where's the driveway? Is it here?
Is it this one right here? I think it's this one right here. I think that's his porch. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
He got us once before. Oh, it is?
Yeah. Unless you want to stick a key in there. I could just walk right in. Oh, that's so scary.
Oh,
David
man.
shoots me.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I mean, his name's on B, so I assume he'll do it.
He knows. He knows what's coming.
Maybe he might know. Somebody tipped him off. Somebody tipped him off the head. Dude.
He's like, why is he calling me? There he is.
Oh, shit.
We got you a smear now.
I gotta run to Meyer. You guys want to go to Meyer with me and then I can come back and chug it?
Are you serious?
Yeah, I don't care.
Yeah, I'm down. I almost walked in. I was knocking. Nobody was coming, and I turned the handle and it opened. All right, guess we're going to Meyer.
Oh yeah.
Some Easter fixings for tomorrow.
I see we knocked on that door for ages.
Here we are
I was asleep that
We're at
time.
Meyer.
at the grocery store with David. Here we thought we were gonna ice him at his front door. We ended up at the grocery store.
Yeah, we're the ones getting pranked now.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. I forgot my wallet.
No, Mexican?
Man, that was
No, I
really
never
good.
tried that. Oh, we were supposed to be getting vegetables.
There's vegetables. There's tomatoes in there.
All right, here
is
we
it time?
It's time. Here we go.
You know you're getting old when you gotta pause, run to the grocery store real quick before you can do it.
Oh, you buried.
Got a malfunction.
Oh, down on the knee.
The tall boy.
You better hope the wife doesn't come down the stairs. How's that flavored?
He almost got it.
It
There's-
sounds empty.
It's not bad.
Kill it, David.
Atta boy.
Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.